Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are in a back street in Isili. We are opposite Yare Plaza. This is a place where spices are sold. So tumetembea the whole market just to compare prices and to see a variety of the spices on the market. And we are in this particular shop that has a board actually that shows whatever they have, that shows you spices that can be used as herbs, the spices that are classified as superfoods, and whatever they have nuts, dried fruits, flakes, and seeds. If you're in the spice market and you're actually confused on what to get and what not to get, you can still ask the people selling, and they are able to direct you on whatever you want. And there are a variety of spices. Some of them are grounded, some of them are whole spices, depending on your want, preference, and whatever you want, you will just get what suits you well. Then we're in this other particular shop. We have oils. We have avocado oil, tallow. We have ghee. We have these things. These are, I think they are wheat grains. Then we have over there, we have dried cassava. We have a variety of things just depending on your want and preference, and they're actually very, very affordable. You can never go wrong with prices on this particular market. If you're a bulk buyer, this is a place for you. If you're a person who is into spice business, this is also a place for you. So the market is so big. I didn't ask about many things, about many spices, but just come and experience the market by yourself. But they are so cheap and affordable. Then we are in this last part. I think hapa ndo tunamalizia, and then we'll go to the fabric shops. So our first fabric stop was this particular shop. It's in a certain shopping mall. Shopping center, just opposite, not opposite, just close to Bangkok. I don't remember the name of the shop particularly, but as you can see, it has a variety of good stuff. It has these dresses zenye, I don't know, zenye watu tu wanapenda. There are people who are into such dresses, and I know if you're a lover of such, karibu sana. Huku tembea Isili, you'll not lack such things on the streets and also in the malls. Just come and have an experience of your own with the market. As you can see, the fabrics are so quality actually. Najua prices vary with the stores, with the places, but you can just walk to different malls and to different shopping centers, different streets, and compare the prices, and then acquire whatever you want. The fabrics are so quality, as you can see. Then next we are in this dera fabric shop. As you can see, tumetembea we've been comparing the prices. It's just next to Mandera shopping center, sorry. It's just a shop across the street. So we entered one of the shops, and hey, prices zina differ just according to the quality of the fabric you want. And yes, so we are in this particular one just to get whatever we want. Then I think that will be it for the day. So as you can see, there are different colors, different fabrics. There in this market kuna hizo ready-made deras na kuna the fabric that you can buy na ushonewe wewe mwenyewe, utafute fundi ama ushonewe pale sokoni. So prices differ depending on whatever you want. So we are done guys, let's head home.